Whiny always. Your body bad, could they make a man curse? See fan face. Body bad, could they make a man curse?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, man. Uni had me by the throat, but I'm back. I've come to you guys today with a makeup look. So if you like this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy.
I know you messing with low lights. You know we run the show. She been single for her whole life. In the city, girl, she call it whole life. I'ma put you in your whole life. Maybe you gon' leave that whole life. You gon' leave the whole life. Baby, let me.
So first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face with the L'Oreal mattifying primer. I just put a little bit. Then I use my Revolution pencil that comes with a brush and just brush my brows. I don't really have brows like that, so yeah, that's it. I then get the other side. This is in dark brown and I pencil my eyebrows. I start with the bottom and I just line the bottom of my brows and then the top. And then I just fill in the rest.
Baby, make up your price, make you something for me.
That's alright. And then we do the other side.
Baby, make up the key, make you lock me. No go fun for your body. Take you go see my mommy. Let me give you what you need.
Next, I conceal my eyebrows with the LA Pro Girl in Chestnut, and I use this brush from Amazon. And I start with the bottom again.
If you want my love, baby, show me your logo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make a man curse. Go down, see fan face.
And then we do the top.
Your body bad, go they make a man curse. See fan face. Body bad, go they make a man curse.
Oh yeah, when you see my fine face, yeah, know I make your mind crazy, cause you wanna make me your baby, yeah.
And then I go in at the bottom again because I think this arch is too thick.
Touching me there, I play with your hair, yeah, you never see something like this before, you never be.
So I put concealer on my eyelids as well, and I just brush that out.
Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make
That's one eyebrow done. The other side.
Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make a man curse. See fan face. Body bad, go they make a man curse. International baby, oh. International sugar. Baby, bring up your body, oh. Baby, give me some sugar. Yeah. International baby, oh. International sugar. Yeah. Baby, bring up your body.
That's my eyebrows done. I mean, just to conceal a bit, of course, you need to blend. I then use my Real Technique brush called Instapop Shade Brush, and I just blend this all out.
Baby, show me your logo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make a man curse.
I then use the same brush and I get my Benai Camel powder. I put some in the lid and I just dip some, tap.
Body bad, go they make a man curse. Whiny always. Make a man curse. Fan face. Body bad, go they make a man curse.
And I dip again, tap, the other.
Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make a man curse. See fan face. Body bad.
Next, I use my L'Oreal Super Eyeliner. I do a really thin line.
Make a man curse. See fan face. Body bad, go they make a man curse. Baby, show me your logo. Find your case like Colombo.
I then use my mascara from L'Oreal.
Whiny always. Your body bad,
It's time to put on the eyelashes, and I do use hair bonding glue. I get the back of my brush and I just put the glue across. I like to start with the outer corner, then stick it on to the middle.
Baby, make a pay your price, make you simple for me.
So those are my lashes done. Now my favorite bit, foundation. Oh, you see this foundation? Yeah, it has changed my life forever. Like, NARS, are you listening? NARS, see this? This is amazing. It is so good. So I've wet my beauty blender, and now it's time to put this bad boy on. Blend. I like to blend upwards. Are you seeing the match? Oh, I love it.
When you see my fine face, you know I make your mind crazy, cause you wanna make me your baby. Yeah. Let me show you something.
Look at that one chocolate babe made. I love it. I can get my expert face brush from Real Techniques and I just buff it all out.
Never see something like this before. You'll never be. Said you want me to take you more.
I then get my LA Pro Girl concealer in Chestnut again to highlight on my chin, on top of my lip, under my eyes, and on my nose. I get my beauty blender again and we're off.
See fine face, body bad, but they make a man crazy. International baby, oh. International sugar, baby, bring up your body, oh. Baby, give me some sugar, yeah. International baby, oh. International sugar, yeah. Baby, bring up your body, oh. Baby, give me some sugar, yeah. You make a man want lose it, you make a man want lose control. Say you make a man want lose it, yeah. Make a man want lose control, yeah. Baby, show me your love.
I then add a bit more concealer under my eyes. We blend again, but we just keep it in the inner corner of our eyes. So we're gonna get our Ben Eye Camel powder again in the lid, and we're gonna get the Instapop shade brush again. We're gonna dab some, tap, and just apply that everywhere that we put concealer on. On top of our lips.
Whiny always, your body bad, could they make a man crazy? See fine face, body bad, could they make a man crazy?
And then under our eyes, and I like to work my way up.
Could they make a man crazy? See fine face, body bad, could they make a man crazy? Baby, show me your lungo, find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the Lambo. Whiny always, your body bad, could they make a man crazy? Go down, see fine face, body bad, could they make a man crazy?
I just lightly pat it.
Whiny always, your body bad, could they make a man crazy? See fine face, body bad, could they make a man crazy? Baby, make a pay your price.
You can see the difference on the other side.
Shine girl on the beats for your body, oh. Yeah. Baby, make her throw the key, make you lock me. Yeah. No go form for your body. Yeah. Take you go see my mommy. Yeah. Let me give you what you need, what you want to. Baby, no different. It's you I they want to give you all of me.
And then what's left over, I put on my nose.
Find your case like Colombo.
I do put a bit on my forehead.
Whiny always, your body bad, could they make a man crazy? Go down, see fine face, body bad, could they make a man crazy? Go down, whiny always, your body bad, could they make a man crazy?
We then use our face expert brush to just blend that in.
Oh yeah, when you see my fine face, you know I make your mind crazy, cause you wanna make me your baby. Yeah. Let me show you something.
So that's done, and now it's time to contour. I love contouring now. I never used to do this until this year. No, until last year, you know. Last year, October, I never used to contour. And that's why my makeup was shit. But we won't get into that. To contour, I use the Revolution foundation stick in F18.
She too flashy, know the land.
No. Then use the expert face brush again and just blend that out. So I do the fish face again, and I literally just blend up and down.
International baby, international sugar, baby bring up your body, baby give me some sugar, yeah. International baby, international sugar, baby bring up your body.
So I'll just do the other side.
Come on, I lose it. You make a man want lose control. Say you make a man want lose it. Yeah, come on, want lose control. Yeah. Baby, show me your logo. Find your.
This time I place it slightly higher.
She too flashy, know the land.
And when I blend now, I do drag my contour down and around my lip area.
Whiny always. Your body bad, could they make a man crazy? Fine face, body bad, but they make a man crazy. Whiny always, your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fine face, body bad, but they make a man crazy. Baby, show me your logo, find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always, your body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, see fine face.
And then I put a bit on my forehead.
See fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Baby, make a pay your price, make you something for me. Oh. Yeah. Shine girl on the beats for your body. Oh. Yeah. Baby, make a throw the key, make you lock me. Yeah. No go fun for your body. Yeah. Take you go see my mommy. Yeah. Let me give you what you need, what you.
I then get my Instapop shade brush again and I just blend out my nose contour.
If you want me and if you want my love, oh, baby show me your logo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, could they make a man crazy? Go down, see fine face. Body bad, could they make a man crazy? Go down, whiny always. Your body bad, could they make a man crazy?
And then I get my face expert brush and blend it in. Back again on the face, I use this blush by Marena Beauty in the shade Chocolate. And I get my brush and I just dab fish again and just go over the contour.
Touching me there, I play with your hair. You never see.
Again, other side.
You never be. Said you want me to take you there.
Baby, show me your logo.
One more time, other side. And then I drag it across. I do use my beauty blender just to blend that out.
International baby, international sugar, baby bring up your body, baby give me some sugar, yeah. International baby.
I then get my blush from NYX in the shade Amber, and I do the same thing twice. Smile and just.
You make a man want lose control. Say you make a man want lose it. Yeah.
And again twice. Smile.
Baby, show me your logo. Find your case like Colombo.
I then get my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Ebony, I dip some with this brush. And I do a really thin line because you don't want to be doing too much for your everyday. And I do the other side.
Whiny always make a man crazy. Fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy.
I then get my eyebrow pencil and line my lips.
Whiny always your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Whiny always.
I then get my NYX lip gloss in the shade Latte and I apply some on.
Baby, show me your lungo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want?
I get my lip gloss from the hair shop. This is called Kiss Me and it's just a clear lip gloss. I put a lot. And I just spread it out. And put a little bit more. Your lips can never be too shiny, please. The way I love lip gloss, if you ever see me, apply lip gloss like every 10 minutes. I love it too much. I was about to say we're done. Ugh, I lied. I then use my Dewy Finish Setting Spray from NYX. Shake it. And let that dry off. I do like a dewy look. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my makeup look. I just love this look, especially for every day. It's nice and simple, but it's like, ooh, you look a bit cute. You look good. Hair by Slay by Shan's Beauty. Look at my edges. She is amazing. More videos on the way. Like, comment, share and subscribe. There's more live team each and every time.
Oh yeah, when you see my fine face, you know I make your mind